If you're on the student loan save plan and you feel safe, well, you're not. And the reason has nothing to do with politics or headlines. It has to do with the real cost. My name's Anthony Perano. I'm a federal court attorney, and I help borrowers make legally correct decisions about federal student loans, including SAVE, income-driven repayment plans, and discharge options. What many borrowers are being told right now about SAVE sounds reassuring. They're being told, just wait, ignore it for now, it's not costing you anything, and that advice feels reasonable, especially when things are uncertain. But it's wrong. While borrowers wait on SAVE, the numbers don't stop running. Interest keeps accruing every single day, although quietly, but automatically, whether you're paying attention to it or not. So interest is simply the cost of borrowing money. On federal student loans, interest is calculated daily. And if the interest isn't paid, it doesn't disappear. It gets added to your balance. So let's talk about the consequences. Once interest is added to the balance, future interest is calculated on a higher number. That's how balances grow even when borrowers feel like nothing's happening. Nothing explodes, there's no warning, the debt just quietly gets bigger in the background. It's like parking your taxi, getting out, visiting a friend, getting into a conversation. You're relaxed, you're not paying attention, everything feels fine, and then suddenly you stop and ask, wait, the meter's running. What is this costing me? So let me anchor this down with real numbers using a very typical federal interest rate right now, about 6.7%. So the cost, let's take it day, month, year. On a balance of $150,000, 6.7 runs roughly $30 a day. That's about $750 to $900 a month, roughly about $10,000, $11,000 a year. So that's being added to your balance. Now, it's like parking the taxi again with the meter running. You're not going anywhere, but that cost is climbing. That's why interest is painful, not because it's unfair necessarily, but because it never stops. So SAVE isn't the plan to wait on. SAVE is a warning, a reminder that waiting has real and measurable costs, and that cost adds up quietly day at a time. So my role here is to tell people not to relax, not just to forget about it and take care of it later. It's to help you make legally correct decisions and not wait quietly losing thousands and thousands of dollars. If you need my help, you can book an in-depth strategy with me and get in touch with me if you have any further questions, and I'll be glad to help you. And I'll see you soon.